And this reminds me of the quote of Umar ibn Khattab, where he says, تَعَلَّمُوا الْعَرَبِيَّةَ فَإِنَّهَا تَزِيدُ الْمُرُوءَةَ. Learn Arabic, for it increases one's manliness and dignity. Why al-muru'ah? Why? How does it correlate? And the reason is that when speaking clearly, eloquently, and you're able to convey and express a message correctly, it changes how you carry yourself. And it sharpens your mind. Just like Shaykh Ibn Taymiyyah mentioned as well in Majmu' al-Fatawa about the Arabic language increasing and making your intellect and mind strong. So when a coach corrects your lahan, your grammatical mistakes, or even sentence structure mistakes, you aren't just learning words, you're building your Arabic intellect. And this is exactly what we do at Andalus Institute. We don't just give you a login, we actually guide you through the process, holding your hand. And remember that booking a call through the first link in the description, booking a qualification call, not only you're going to get the possibility to perhaps get accepted into the program, to be able to complete the program, but we are going to give you a vocabulary wallet regardless if you get accepted or not into the program. So if you are thinking of learning the Arabic language and you have that lingering feeling of, oh, should I do it now? Maybe I'm too busy, this, that. Just do the first step. وَلَعَلَّ اللَّهَ يُحْدِثُ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ أَمْرًا. And perhaps Allah Azza wa Jal will give you the tawfiq to be able to do so. Most of the times we are concerned about things that are not even a problem. And once you speak to one of our student onboarding coaches, you quickly realize, once he shows you inside of the program and you are able to imagine how you would go through the program, you're going to realize that it's not that much of a big deal how you imagine it in your head. And subhanAllah, you never know. As of now, I have 3 students in my mind who completed our program and then they got accepted to Medina. They did the test for the Arabic language and they were told that they could go directly to the faculty because the Arabic language was already good enough. So these to reinforce the fact that you don't need to wait until you get accepted to Medina University, wait until you're able to go to Egypt, wait until you're able to go to Mauritania in order for you to learn the Arabic language, which is Mabda al-Ulum, as Ibn Ashur mentioned, or as it was reported in his tafsir. They were ahead already by taking advantage of the time they had when they were back home in the West. And we have other students who go from Alif to having full conversations in 16 lessons. It's not theory what I'm telling you here, but it's 100% success rate for everyone who finished the program. Everyone who finished the program learns the Arabic language. And I need you to imagine waking up for tahajjud, opening the mushaf, laying your eyes on the page, and not just reading, but hearing the message, feeling the message in your heart that Allah Azza wa Jal is telling you. Instead of having to quickly run to a translation app or talking to ChatGPT, not even being sure if it's the right translation, but directly understanding the kalam of Allah Azza wa Jal. The sweetness of your salah becomes different. You are able to focus more, whether it's behind the imam in Taraweeh, whether it's by yourself while reading, while memorizing. And now I have given you the roadmap. But I know from experience that having the map is one thing, actually walking the path is another. So if you want one-to-one mentorship to apply for Kashf al-Mufradat system and know how to apply it into your life, we are opening a few spots for the program this week. So go ahead and book a qualification call, and regardless of what the outcome is, you are going to get your Mahfadat al-Mufradat in order to start your journey in the Arabic language, or continue your journey in the Arabic language, as is the case of most of our students. So click the first link in the description right now, book a qualification call and grab your vocabulary wallet. I will see you on the next one, bi-idhnillah azza wa jal. Wassalamu alaikum.